Hi, I'm Kevin. Happy birthday, Grenada. Happy 50th. The one thing I love about Grenada is its beautiful people and the beautiful weather.
Hi everyone, my name is Chef Shakil of the Trouble Bay Resort. I'm here to wish Grenada a 50th independence. One thing I love about my country is our beautiful, warm, loving people, and also our wonderful, tasty food that we offer here in Grenada. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dwight. Just want to wish Grenada happy 50th independence. And one thing I could say I love about Grenada, we have this nice, friendly people, nice beaches, wonderful mountains. Come and enjoy.
My name is Thomas Philip. Happy Independence. I like the food.
Hi, I'm Khalifa. Happy 50th Independence, Grenada. One thing I love about our sweet Grenada is our lush green vegetation.
Hi, my name is Keshi. I just want to say Happy Independence, Grenada. One thing I love about Grenada and Grenadians is our warmth. We're a warm people and we have lots of love to give.
Hello everyone, this is Sky from the beautiful Grenada, wishing you a happy Independence Day, 50th anniversary and 50 more to come. May God bless you, or Buddha, or Muhammad, or whichever God you believe in. What I love most about Grenada is Grandance Beach. It is so big, it is so beautiful, oh my God.
Hi, my name is Chanel, and I would love to say Happy 50th Independence, Grenada. One thing I love about Grenada is the abundance of talent and creativity found within the Grenadian population.
Happy 50th Independence, Grenada. The thing I love most about Grenada is the slow pace of life, and you can just relax every day.
Hello everyone, my name is Brant. I am one of the front desk agents, and one thing I love about Grenada is we are very friendly. We are friendly people.
Happy Independence. My name is Keisha, and what I love about Grenada is that we've got lovely cuisine and colorful festivals. There's always something to celebrate and to learn about.
50 years we blessed with force and fire.